Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and we can do it by tapping on the screen twice. After you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called lock screen and select it, and here tap on the device password option. Then tap on device password. Next, tap on the switch, and now we need to enter the password we want to use to unlock our smart band. So I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you should use something else because this one is quite easy to guess. And we need to repeat it to confirm, and once we confirm, you will see that it's enabled, and we can go back to the watch face. Lock the device by pressing the palm on it, and then try to wake it up, unlock it, and you will need to enter the password to unlock the device, like this. And if you want to disable the screen lock protection, simply open the settings again, tap on lock screen, tap on device password again, tap on the switch, enter the current password to confirm, and it's gonna be disabled. Also, of course, if you have the password enabled, you can also tap on change passcode. Let me enable it quickly. You can tap on change password and you can enter the current password to confirm, and then enter a new password, for example. Like this. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.